Amazon is making a ton of money off of sellers like you and me, and they're looking to create some more initiatives to help drive more profit to their platform. This week, we're going to be taking a look at a few of those and how they don't just help Amazon, but they will help you as a seller as well. Let's take a look. This week, we're going to be taking a look at a handful of fresh initiatives by Amazon to make selling on their platform easier, and how in combination with Zonguru's software tools, these initiatives can really give you a leg up on your competition. This is ZonTrends brought to you by Zonguru. Make sure to follow us, like, and subscribe to stay up to date with Amazon industry tips, tricks, and strategy. Let's dive in. Amazon is on track to invest over $15 billion this year on initiatives that are set to help SMBs, or small, medium-sized businesses like yours and mine. These include new tools, services, infrastructures, departments, and people designed to make selling for small to medium-sized businesses easier. SMBs like ours made up over 58% of all physical gross merchandise sales back in 2018. And it was reported that Amazon Prime this year made Amazon over $2 billion. As we all know, Amazon likes to do things that benefit their platform and drive more profit. It's appearing that we are making Amazon more and more money, which is actually a really good thing for us because it means that now Amazon is recognizing the power of SMBs and is going to invest in us and try to make our job as easy as possible. Here are just a few of those initiatives and how they can benefit your Amazon business. Number one, the early reviewer program. Now this is especially useful for those of you that are just launching your first product or adding a new product to your brand. The early reviewer program encourages customers who have already purchased a product to share their authentic experience about that product. This program helps to acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, a huge hurdle for many new sellers. Number two, Amazon Storefronts. Amazon Storefronts is an area on Amazon's platform which highlights small businesses, feature curated collections of unique products which provide a platform for an online small business experience, fostering a more intimate mom and pop experience for shoppers on their platform. And you can apply to be an Amazon storefront online. It's a super simple process if you fit the criteria. Number three, Amazon Handmade. The Handmade store is available for artisans to sell their handcrafted products to millions of Amazon customers all over the world. Amazon uses an application process to add new artisans to the homemade category to ensure customers are able to buy with confidence. Handmade specifically prohibits items that are mass-produced or produced by another artist. So this is a very unique space for those of you that have a much more personal touch to your products and brands. Number four, Amazon Launchpad. Amazon Launchpad is a unique platform that serves two core purposes: a marketplace within a marketplace that enables customers to sift through a range of cutting-edge and innovative items produced by vetted startups, as well as a useful service point for small businesses in need of helping hand. Although Amazon provides a marketplace for scores of companies, Launchpad vendors are given a bit more special treatment, with help of larger images, videos, and more space to write. Launchpad also gives you the exposure for in-house advertising, which will give your brand even more exposure to a larger audience. Number five, Amazon Global Selling. Amazon Global Selling is a program that enables you to list and sell your products across the world on Amazon's global marketplaces. Global Selling program helps you start selling to 10 international marketplaces, including North America, Europe, Japan, and Australia. And last but not least, the App Store and third-party market tools, area for sellers looking for a slew of different products and services to find software tools that are actually trusted and vetted by Amazon. If you are a seller and you go to Seller Central and you go to the App Store, you'll see Zonguru is in there for a bunch of different categories. Amazon has determined that we are a tool that aligns with their brand, their idea of what a good service is and what a white hat service is, and how to offer that to sellers to make their jobs easier. Also, being an accredited third-party software service of Amazon gives us access to unique data points which we're able to build into our software tools. So you're gonna wanna check us out there. Just to recap, it's very obvious that SMBs like ours is making Amazon a ton of money, and they're doing everything they can to bring in more money by making our jobs easier, which is really, really good news. And if you want to check those out and how best to use them, you're gonna wanna click on the link somewhere around this video to navigate to our blog page. We have blog posts dedicated to how to apply, all the way through to how to set up your listings on almost all of these different platforms. So you're gonna wanna check out the Zonguru blog. Now, before we close this out, I wanna just give a big shout out for a comment that we received on our last video, which was an unboxing deep dive video. Thanks for the post, Darren. I am always learning from your updates and tutorials, and I'm getting close to launch and differentiating from similar products sold on Amazon. Thank you so much, Agam Dance Fit, for that comment. It's comments like those that bring a smile to our whole content team's faces, so thank you very much for that. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this content to stay up to date with Amazon's industry tips, tricks, and news. And we will see you next week for another episode of ZonTrends, brought to you by Zonguru. Bye for now.